ma calm down. Western region deserves better, and then ma calm down. Mzame hi na ye hu. Ozi kan yen kwahwe yen roads no, park grant road no. On ye, runabout no on ye. Runabout no on ye. Honorable Regional Minister, runabout no omonyo kra. Now Regional Minister, as a kra ma san ma kai bia umpo wa brand no nka ma agenda ho ma kan ye. Yen library no. Honorable Kobi Ochedakun, yen library no. Honorable Ochedakun, yen takraze library no. Where is it the library? Where is the library? Where is the library? Since a library no adan restaurant. Libraries no wadan restaurant. Wadan wedding reception joints. Wadan party entertainment joints. Nkwafo behai na was a party. But adi so yete da was takraze library. Honorable Ochedakun Mr. Owonye wumpanyifo nye wana washa wana ase answer this question for us. Where is our library? Obinyima on church-mu na yankwa na yenke bisa. Obinyima on church-mu na yankwa na yenke bisa. Weje wahana ye raise agenda wo social media. Yen library. Ya ntanwo hwebio na asam na akada. Since na takraze funa na the Western region funa la ye raise issue na on church na ya san ye issue na to because ye nyim sebe she. The on church ye wi fra asam. On church ye wi fra asam. On church na ye wi fra asam as Ghanaians, as Western region human beings, another Western region citizens or indigenous. On channel yen fra some cra wo besides this what a library what is our down offices nkofo na wa ha ya what are offices. Honorable Kobi Ochedakun, Regional Minister, Coordinating Council in Penyinfo Washa Western Regional do STMA. Yes, Ramonala, where is our library to go and sit and read? One of us, education is the key to success. Education is the key to success. Into Makada Mabaka, Park Grant Road Nasam, Madonna Babasi Sierra. But where is our library? Western region, Sekendita Krade deserves better. I can confidently say, if somebody knows, Obiwa Onyima, I stand to be corrected. In Efekwesi Municipal Assembly, where is our library? I don't know the library that we have. Oya Abaniza, Mofuma Mokona Wakata, Nakan Kanbuku, but we are still saying education is the key to success. Apu Zege styling. Oya Apu Zege styling. On your fine. Eba takraza, ya watakra way because oya yewa. Apu Zege styling. Makada one check mam, one other way road number from one. Road Safety Commission. Road Safety Commission. Road Safety Commission. Urban Roads. Ghana Highway Authority. What you want to call kwa? Pay no waja was it done? Pay no waja was it done? Transport unions. Transport unions. Transport unions. Set up. Set up. Set up. Set up. Put fires in their caps. One madam kofi 1 year juma. It is about time. They ever forget it all. One kasa wanker. Another day, yesterday I was listening to one of the radio stations, Sky Power FM. Now missing up brother. Oh yeah, could you breeze? He did something I was so wonderful about. Them came to say when you the bump down for you know. One shot, one Mr. Nipakuni no. No, I want no baby Ocean or reporting Nipakono wasn't a man. Now one so them area one so I want to could you breeze and roofy. So what am I not by any auntie? Then young could be mammy, but one shot the mouth and a cry. No, that is what we have to set as an example. Wala wan klimpo na oye dwuma bi na se wanye ye yemfam brane yemfam tuna kwem na obi anye ne ye na se yimpa bia ne bi ye de masse bi yimpa bia ne pe nkafu na they will start sitting on their toes, they will start standing on their toes, they will start working. Into road safety, urban roads, Ghana highways, transport unions, wa wanyemfa you are paying the money. Now one car no say, baby wa edrubi na se car look kwa ehun that this is called abhorrent. Apuzege takrade ye we was na oye yewa eyi impenyimfo no wa ye yewa. Ye impenyimfo no wa ye yewa. And what is that last question so me say where is your mind? Wadwen or hin? Where is your mind? Still continue greeting my people. Regional Minister message man delebo. Kobi Ochedakun honorable. I was in Seta Quadras, what can wasama, it's wadwom, but a human still there ye become. honorable edwuma ye bi kan sisi amrebisa agenda, where is our library? Agenda, where is our library? Agenda, where is our CNC? Agenda, what is going to happen to the paragraph runabout? Agenda. 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 Western region deserves better. Krachi. Asha Karl Kwan Wasama.
Kwan Wasam no. I want to was the marketing on them everybody here in Krabata.
Ani on Krabata.
Krabata, huh?
Ministry of Roads.
Ministry of Roads and Highways.
Ministry of Roads and Highways.
I want to wear bata and answer today. Bibia one is
Ministry of Highways.
Yeah, Roads and
Highways. Or they in your ministry nizin.
It's a measure paying for the one I don't know.
Sha one dinner fan bra. Ministry of Roads and Highways. You are just there, sitting there, chopping the money. Yes, if you are not chopping the money, why is the road not done? Saying this kana, you man have been in 1 year. I don't like contract and scan me if you oh, I'm Ghana, rather than your mobile. But some agenda still pushing. Western region deserves better. Mama found them from Yamabaka, as some Nankasa. Western region deserves better. Since I heard in library. From Ochinaro Coin, I'm in Casa for Fribiabio. Yeji and library. We are, you can collect now. And we are taking. And are receiving. We are taking our library. We should have the library. And then you will see what's our brain library. If you had done the library, what's am I? One of them done with the IPMC building. What's it already library? Have you seen a library there? Have you seen a library there? I stand to be corrected. One more time library, what's up with that? Oh yeah, Oman Ghana, no library. Another oh yeah, SMA, no library. Apart from secondary library. In the year 9 years, you go secondary. To such a mafuma kwana waba. Secondary mafuma kutina wonsu ya zakwa mafuma yensu ya she. Efia kwesiminti municipal assembly. Nyanso yen library. Nyanso ye here library. Fantastic MC ya wodo memna makanala atase. PRO alaje bebe wo bia no fankrano farmer honorable mom. The Kojo Ajamebe meso no oye fantastic when it comes to lobbying, when it comes to working, when it comes to bibiala, but still e kwanda ho a Puzege style. One share na one be new things no ofonguna kwem. We need our library. We need our library. Any info?
Information are ready.
Yep, call.
Paying for them Ministry of Roads and Highway. Anon ye Honorable Akufo-Addo.
Honorable Akufo-Addo.
Aha neti.
Otin kan not that.
On kan not. Okay. Na tie. Ehwe departments are all in charge now. Ye wo Ghana Highways Authority.
Thank you.
Ye wo Department of Urban Roads. Ye wo Department of Federal Roads. Ye wo Ghana Road Fund Secretariat.
We na wo ho.
Ni na pepe no da.
Ano. Madam officers na bodin na so nyimpa na wo ye edwuma.
People wo edwuma.
Enwa, the master na ndam reba kakru bi na wo beka dey, wo beka dey wo kan sembi, na na do dan Akufo-Addo. Pepe, all ye neze. Every president we be dey all ye neze. Workers na won ye edwuma no. Mo na won ye edwuma, adwum bon fon koten, adwun bon abuzage, ye was styling. Ebo. Oto dem institute ni ahye na ase. Na won bo hwe, won mo bra bia.
The chief executive for Ghana Highway Authority no. Nizinze NSK Atta.
NSK Atta. Na ekono ye Atta.
Ekono ye na Atta ne
Atta.
Amwako Atta.
Atta na ekono ye Amwako Atta.
NSK Atta.
Bronya am ye buni na ekono ye fanti. Okay.
K Atta.
Ebo nti sisi an hwe takraja hade. Takraja hade. Western region hade. Na ye no kwan ye wori ye ndemi. Regional minister kabibi che regional minister man kabibi che regional minister man na be mambo che man
akonye de master me say empebram ma kan ha menyi sketne fo me ye bod bebre e den sketne no on fire
yes
e we kwana on
ya be otte no ja be ni wo side be otte no
but otte no one day every 6 months be odo what to paint I don't know what 18 one
sometimes when you get to some area let's say a political party posters wo na some kwafo no so excuse me to say once we to moyi one ID card na bosomo so and the afeso na so we got to aba na I don't see these people. Where is your mind? Kraji
o yen se mebre na ehwe me se kwana asese me se am asem kwa em yonde o ma panyin ba no o de wo si no form
no nanto
no o feel yema bi na e wona car no ni
mu security reasons it's not nanto
on to me na to metase car ni mu ye form nti an se hwe na okọ but ko yase no e painful no wo krom ha no painful wo krom ha no ekwana asemi oyende wo sa the welcome ekwana asemi oyende wo sa the welcome see say yen highways na say bebre asese efie ku takraze de ko me chaye Cape Coast ekwa no asey
ibi nyo ampa
ekwa na asey from takraze de ko aguna kwancha ekwa no asey
ano
sasa see say takraze ankasa no eyi ekwa meet there from Ajip Zeko Beach Road na ebotuma akre no de fereka anu kwa put still we tutu
anu put still
tutu anu we tutu
anu tutu kakra o
tutu aka o
ara bolan for WhatsApp o
tutu aka o e technician to say nukromon adekope
what about what's on ye
adekope kwa na e o moti
what aba wa
and even
mpo
e won put down on
what aba
e won no asere ni ye ne put some asema
kwam na mpota ponsa ko kubi so fa ne benso cash malakura krache minimo na mko shwe shirt white
and the baby feed
botaki
and brown
oh mudru wan mo vie na mabodul kodwokum back na why there was ma she tea milo tea na wasan we yim fofor nti me bodul me said all these people what wa ba
akodu man so da
ayabor
akodu man so
dabi
say akodu man so da rekwa chidek air condition ka na roll glass na say dem ma untu me bodun e say black people bodun why brown
wow mani na dem ko fina what wa ba
what wa ba
my problem is that
abrente bode mo import wa ba
my problem is that this is my problem ebo asema de bempere me sempanyifo inde hwe mpanyifo me misa wonam question hwe ye wo sika bi wo a munje dem IMF na ye twan na ayi abade fund ade bi wo wankasa mutu wo ba na se ye telefon na se wo je won dam mbra tsen na we na ikromba na se botum de won sika 2 cities na kwasafo djuma 3 cities 4 cities kwasafo djuma wada ya na kono aiden wa ye epia wo mbra na won ba hye concrete wo fon go there boys infilm chapa de bosum ni yin na yem feel para ye ba aye fe keke we will come isa kumula le ba nye djuma bibiala ye basa wo be jeke wo jeke wo je son o ho afofo tumase wo be jeke wo jeke wo be son what's name na Ghana nyum yeah manya ni me Ghana boy mama ya ku ya so na ye se ya je na man ni ya problem na ba ya kambasha na ko wo zi yes ka ya chalo oh kale sana wudu punya wo zi yes ka ya chalo ye na kwa traffic light you to start yeduma traffic light yeduma am ko na post some family am ko na big boss from on the money good ya fa dam ndama bobo street light on ya light where is your mind where is your mind mama come last information though mama come last information na ma sol na e wona mesi abotel ma chichira so yankofo nam zama bi because ni pada senyi ya hwe ndc for MPP for wa so if Ghanaian children people are yellow globe and yan gen ye the Ghana at heart na did them political parties these two political parties for nature wa what they would do to us in wa krati Ghana nyam menyo kasa na pay ami ko gaza menyo kasa as a Ghanaian Maka the only thing that will survive this country is the national policy. That is the only thing that was going to survive this country. And then if this is not going to survive this country, national policy, what is going to do is that you and I need to have change of mind and have the country as at heart. Or they domano, yet an akma domano. Ama sabi ewo MPP when this na wonyi pabiri ya azana so okwochewa etuma aka che na masa zeri ye de sabi where is your mind oya booze get style ayeyewa ode etum kan ode etum eden e kan ade che obi sabi wala nyen wo party kulum oya wunua nyen de mpa do sor oya ade be wanyen na ka che wunua aza ye de sabi mpo na aye janjanze. That is it. That is how we behave as human beings. That is what we're going to do as human beings. Eyide walankasa botuma comment wo fie hwe Jimmy I don't change replace some words with some words. Hwe Jimmy teacher bi Jimmy awe Jim teacher bi onyim nyansa. Nanado is sitting somewhere. Yebema wada ye politics. Wa kada no nanado no soma de one from ready. Or ye Jimmy Genealogy. video no to nchana na reba mama ni kama mbo wana abado ene da wazi emu bi be ya na onya akondo ene wazi badwo dan bo twai mo de be kira wan but mama mbo caterers ni bi no wana abado wo chere na dankara kuna wazi ko na ye fine tinkara kuna mfonyi no wa fotum do fofo no aha anu mfonyi no odado no oye me de mama mbo wana abado wadam side no caterers ni bi wori bo adwuma wo nyame do wo do ma no won hwede wo MPP ni anado ye NDC ni caterers bi wo bo mozen hwede bana wo de 7 maframa no oya condom of mana woje etete hona no kasa wo mbiem biem na wasa eyi ze sabe hona akoma oto hon yem but mam sanyi nko akiri na kwahwe sisi de kra obi de boto dam jollof na waye de you know wa ono wo wa fa ono fa tumwo so ono wo wa fa hwe ono fa bra na hwe obi nyet ntaw do kun de liban obi de nkada kun papa de liban hwe sisi enyi bi so hwe sisi enyi bi no so mama so onye de kama maframa hwe sisi hwe iwu maame a wo maame a I don't get it. Ebini mo na adwele ye adwuma won nye papa mama fama mozi no obini so wo de genealogical apusege ye was styling na wole ye obana no mane tumpon we wo ni na akoso president minister vice na yaso ye hyekom ha ye legim na yaso ye hyekom ha ye legim we cannot control a country like that. A man penyin was so ho na we release this guy what's one for news mama from obi anya de papa hwe bi so jimiza onwen na ma oye mebufu kra and ma de ba wiemi issue no me de ba wiemi issue no krachi me de ba wiemi issue no ide krachi hwe ye wo areas bi o ha oye de wo yi politics fi ho at a normal in every normal sense no yenyim de abofa owo JHS 3 onso about true or false true whatever you are you know that bebe wo bia na nyim na yem pen quarantine hypocrisy what the will can open what the age white challenge some amazon yem pay for the man when you are wrong 80 who are you if you get a what anabo yaza enje yan you no go die enje yan one pen kwal teacher nyen jimi ya teacher ni enjimi ya teacher ni pon dem fanto hwe MP kwase be so no so de bana watch so de picture ka fam no oda na Akufo-Addo picture ko no fantom do so mama mbon ni me be ofimpo I don't want to mention the name no so the picture ka fam no what kind Jimmy is this what kind Jimmy is this you wouldn't ever get man kada masam ya man yan okay man kan dan masraw cham kona ma fadon kada masami de nyimpa no nyasa woni ti obaye da mazi Jesus 3 from family this bank come on I got for picture ni na do ni picture da aka from dead you did check kwasia no I have nowhere to replace that you did check kwasia with Jimmy Time teacher kwasia with Jimmy Time obia with Jimmy Time ni pa bia mehia no obia se say wo bo obia se aban de aduane abasa me fa mankwala me yi mankwala na me say kase 4 more for na ansam de duana ma won Jimmy ye JSS students what are you putting in the head of the child what Jimmy what say say teacher no ala na me if you have Ghana a man policy so somebody does this in a school watching we watching 360 and apart 360 if you have 360 370 ejem by na the 360 times 3 by 9,060 wala be una yes or that adwin be wutim what kind nonsense that for video to Ghana for one judge for video to Ghana for an judge
gentere baje form of nana gentere count dia form of nana hey gum ya jina pe konya to kra please form of gentere count dia mamitie form of nana gentere yeah kama mitie form of nana pe wa kan yes
okay ngambo simple ye puyase esha teacher nya ko school e wonyimzi wonya ko school de ko hwe maframa ibi ahwe video ni mama wasan so repeat am obio na chare de mpocho sanso photo no bio na Ghana for one judge na mafama asem mrewe abai the form of another
gentere
okay campaign with JHS
baje form of nana Gentle.
This if you enjoy. And this name people enjoy.
Count their form of Nana. Hey, good.
A time will come, people will change you. I'm telling you. A time will come, our mindset will change. Will not be continued to foolish.
Count their
Man come from that.
Gentle.
So my fast say one. Yes, woman stay bedo. You know can matter. If you give it to me, I'll collect it. But I will work. I will work.
Yes.
I will work as a Ghanaian. Makasa, papa. I been there 8 times. Madawacha.
Gentle.
You don't know, I don't know.
Budget. Form of Nana.
No, I don't know.
Gentle.
The Jesus is
Count their form of Nana.
But you are taking the videos of the children. Why don't you bring your face?
President.
Where you Bama for when you bra?
Gentle.
Jimintra.
Count
You can never do anything this thing somewhere.
Gentle.
It is a nation. The father of the nation said, I am feeding the children. The father of the nation said, I am. Akufo-Addo was saying, gum. I say, hey, gum then. The gum then.
Budget. Form of Nana.
I got you from there. Gum then.
Count their form of Nana.
Gum then.
Hey, gum.
Yeah, then. So the child can't even tell him. I call up going to make I say so. Me show him no say. Wa hwe teacher no traditional baby a. O say, "Kan wo de na beji. Kan wo de na beji akola say, "Good." Say feko. It was a Yankopon. Charlie, my age groups, my younger ones that are growing, don't remember Obia and Fawinship and this Kuntai. Remember Obia and Fawinkash MPP Kuntai. Sit down, weigh policies, Shanzama worker, Shanzama Warbayamo, place be a wunja that water waba, who can ya meant to waba, in soon you come who are meant to waba, the maybe who are meant to waba, my politicians will say yes. Nyansa won't sleep. What but no one puts about from one way from another one. Uncle Oba. Yeah, baby, I said because you want one. Honorable, but all these honorables were supposed to serve us. They were to come and serve us. Western region deserves better. Mopocho, Yeji and library no. Honorable Kobe Ochedakun, Regional Minister, Yeji and library, Yeji and library, CNC, Center for National Culture, Honorable Pocho Yeji. Pocho. When you see man, when you go for one channel, one boy, now what may you be a Western region, Nayenzi, Mayanakum on top, Yen, the Western region deserves better. Backgrounds road in one corner, one kay. Them teaching you saw you the moon was a motion nature one. No one far by one fantastic. Masabian somebody because a man penny and I don't answer, what's in the baby, and Hannah, you're a say or mano. Now, road safety for an uncrophone so one channel, one kay. My friend, check some farmer, Captain Smarts. I am a mentor, baby, Obiano, with channel. In Shabba Park with Simpson, Musu, baby, I'm Michelle, I am a mentor. And now, Kojo Brace, Sky Power FM, also a mentor. We will be a Michelle. Man, some brother, Kwame Ofei. I Spice FM, Michelle Papa. Cratchy. Man out now.
You one out of so on to service be a general pa nemo. In crass is a bit of codo. I am a mechanic, minia bascar so. Make her the way in crassiful. In crassif for the maker. Ba mecca. I am for you, why, yet to find what to screen more. Sayana the meantime, what trap me is about to screen. Yaka sanitation wasn't the now could you got to be order a few kuma baby, order a chihen baby,
order a few kuma a trim, if you come up vein IP junction side one.
Mechimba, Mecha got him and got a cramic wasn't. Say Ebewen a large bow away few kuma. Ebewen Kaka, what's that? You for say Fida never, what's that? Benkum. If you a town ever will say in fact, a bone the Gatica Sibido, the Gatica saw the one nature where scraps so. The damn Gata Machon, Eshe Gata,
Honorable Azaloko, Nelanda, Honorable Azaloko, baby Wobiano, go and do your work, go and work, go and work. No, quay I mean the Anope, me said therefore, and the many million yammy, yes, said therefore. Nation Zema ko fire you got any I was a mammy, I mean, who be reverse. And Zema ko fire you got in. Nation, I could be say yellow colored, those Sabbath, the Muhumba reverse. No, mammy, I mean, why the time people callous. No, I ask him pa. No, Mr. Gatten, this house ways to Gatan on co. Mr. Assembly members no. I will if you come away, you drink so in Zima. This side is honorable. Azoloka, Nelsaida, oh yeah, Eduazi, Eduaza, say Eduazi. Honorable Eduazi, Mr. Wayne. Order maybe no idea, as Yambo Amenze,
na ye be take footage bi na ensawote obi aba sisi an ye bo amenze the garden wesi garden o de ma zikope meche enka no africana zikope police park garden o de zikope won me se wenzima onabo eduwaze garden wesi nsu no nko onko otewa no to no produce ntontom ozemehen ye so bebre bo won kwan akojo ma me fancy wonom na
ye fa djuma no brave and so Monday the Wednesday edition is bro no Ideas Technology Limited Ideas Creation na wo so ye na fa ma djuma zina ye bro no channel person be say ye share ma mom asema me ka chewa ina dwe Ghana mba ye share sisi an wo ma ye fa na adwene ye fa nto ye fa ma one your diaries obi anya diary another parliamentary candidates be aba we wa je diary photo asema ba ka bia na wa achiro mo be je wona won ye speech na won je bodo pa honorable k oye dem pay wo fa cheap. But when you start putting them on accountability, on questions, they will start standing on their feet to work for the nation. Ghana belongs to all of us. Ghana in Ayenza. All these parliamentary, the honorables were to serve us. They were not to become superiors over us. Let's try to learn that. Ghana is our only country. The Zembe, basabasa yesa, mini baby arako. Oto basabasa yebi asa, mini baby arako. Yanso a yenya krado ye bo sesiara to ma yembo omano ho ban na omani be ye ya sabio ofi amre ni owo wara. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and soul of our fathers. And I pledge myself to defend the good name of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. So help me God.